Hi guys, how are you all? Thanks for supporting my channel MacTech 360. Those who are not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. Today I will discuss about this how the purging will be given for this SS tank welding. Uh, Even I also don't know in the starting stage of this inspection activities in the tank how before I starting my career in the tank inspection I don't know how they are giving the purging, how the welder can weld without oxidation and all. Afterwards, I referred to much videos and all. I got the knowledge and practically I seen more and more welding activities of this SS tank, AP650 storage tanks. So I will share how the SS tank welding will be happen without oxidation. Normally for the pipe welding, SS pipe welding, we are giving the organ purging. All of you know about this. Before that also I shared some videos that giving purging through we have to close the two sides, both sides of the pipe are given the purging tamp, then given organ inside. You have to fill and check the purging how much oxygen level inside, and we have to start the welding. The same wise, we have used the storage tank. There will be a purging box we can use. That is, we will made for a small box with a plate, aluminium plate or stainless steel plate we have to use, and that have small holes. I will share the photo, and through this the argon gas will be flowing. That one helper will be placed back side of this root side of this tank. Then the welder can weld continuously in the outside, from the outside, so the oxidation will be controlled. Another one we are using, that one is purging tap, that is ceramic tap. That also I will share the photo. That purging tap, we before start of the welding we have to paste throughout the root side inside the tank, where are the welding will give shell welding of the tank. We all paste the purging tap all over the root side. Then we have to start the welding. After welding, root pass, hot pass and all, for afterwards it will be removed, or final capping itself we can remove. Then we will do the back chipping welding. At that time the purging tap will be removed and back side will be grinding, flush grinding. Then we'll do MPT or PT, NTT requirements are there. Then we have to back chip welding we can do. Okay, we will see the video. This video shows the purging box that is placed downside at the root side of the welding. The helper is placing the purging box at the downside. That's a continuous flowing of argon gas in the root side. The welder is welded from the top side. This is a purging tape. We are using that one. It's actually made of ceramic. It will withstand too much of heat. This one is a video that we paste the purging tape all around the root side of this welding. We have to control the excess penetration, and also during the welding we have to control the distortion. We are placing some plates, temporary plates, for reducing the distortion all around this tank. So mainly we are keep it in mind. There will be some important points during the welding. We have to, as a QC inspector, we have to keep it in mind. One is we have to follow the weld sequence. First, vertical weld should be completed before start of this horizontal weld. The horizontal weld, the diameter of this tank is very, the circumference is very big, means we have assign 4 welders at the 4 quadrant. Like us, you have to control the distortion. So also the excess penetration, oxidation and all we have to control by using this purging tape we are using by the ceramic. And other SS we are using the pipe joints. What are the criteria, essential variables you have using, that same thing you have to handle in the tank welding also. Thank you.